Y'all, look at Charlie. Now, mind you, I've been talking to him. I've been trying to tell him to stop all the madness, okay? But Charlie, he's just chasing everybody and everything away. I don't know if you can see him. Let me go on this side. Look. Charlie. Charlie. It's in the shadow. He may let me go close to him like he did yesterday. He allowed me to, not to touch him, but to get a little bit near him. See him? He's over here being a security guard, you know? Look. Here we go. He's starting again. Look at him. He ain't the only one that should be able to talk to me. There you go on, Charlie. Look at him. He's been standing on guard ever since this morning. That makes sense. Charlie, come here. He said, nah, I'm too busy making sure nobody come near you. Funny. Okay. So I looked it up. That bird is normally not, they really don't like people per se, I guess, just from what I read. And they normally don't get too close or allow you to get too close to them. But for some reason, this particular bird has a liking for me. So every morning, he's on the porch. First thing cracking, 6 o'clock on the dot. Never late, not a minute, not a second late. And he's calling for me to get up. And he won't stop unless he gets a response from me. So, yeah. I got to really look into that, you know. They say it's, you know, birds are messengers. You know, from the spirit realm. And based on what I read about him, it is unusual what he's doing, so. But nothing is a coincidence to me, so. Anyway, see ya.